Hey, it's Jonathan. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Make sure you check out all of our blockchain friends. We have a new blockchain friend, World of Cardano. We got Flicto remastering the ISPO. Make sure you check them out. They have some excellent rewards. Again, here's our World of Cardano is our new blockchain friend. They've got a bunch of giveaways. In fact, I might talk about them later on in this video. I'll touch on them, so stay tuned for that. Intermeta, they're minting their vault cards. Vault cards are connecting the Metaverse, so interoperability is their theme. Magic Square NFT, they're making all of the graphics for us. All these graphics you see here are being made by them. They're also making us a website. And we're doing an NFT giveaway on Twitter. Make sure you check that out. That ends on 5-1. It's a Pavia compatible asset. So make sure you check out all our blockchain friends. Okay, today I want to talk about MELD. And MELD, it's been a while since I heard from anything from them. We haven't heard anything about the bank manager NFT going, what's going on with that. So they finally released some news. This is just an update, but even they say we're excited to announce that we're back on track with development of the bank manager NFT. So there we have it. It's supposed to have some more moves, yeah. Gonna have some more moves. Going to have some more news coming out mid May. So we're going to bring you an update on that when that comes out. This is just a quick update. Hopefully they'll be releasing it soon. If you've been following along, then you probably have your bank manager NFT coming, and you probably have your diamond hands. In fact, I'm going to talk about the diamond hands here in a bit. I'll say something about that. Um, but the bank manager has changed multiple times. If you've been following along, if you watch my previous videos, it was going to evolve, and then the utility of it changed and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, this is where we're at now. This is just the most recent update, right? Okay, it's going to cost 3 ADA to mint it. When you mint an NFT, you have to send ADA to send the ADA to send the NFT to a person, right? So you have that, plus there's always a minting fee. Okay, so these bank managers are going to be free, but there's going to be a 3 minting thing to cover the cost of that. Okay, so bank manager NFT, now the utility of it is going to be loan interest rate reduction. That loan interest rate reduction is going to be 0.3%. So when you borrow money and you have the bank manager NFT in your wallet, then what you can do is you're going to lock that bank manager and NFT up in the contract with the loan that you're trying to receive, and that actually bank manager will act as collateral. To a certain extent, it's going to be locked in the contract. You'll receive it back. You won't have access to it. You'll receive it back when the loan is paid off. Okay, and that will give you a reduced interest rate of 0.3%. Okay, it won't go below zero, right? The reduction won't go below zero. So if the interest rate is at 0.3, then it'll just take it to zero. Okay. Now you only can have one bank manager can be used per loan, so they don't stack, right? All right. Also, the bank manager is going to give you a yield increase when you're staking. Uh, so now it's going to be a yield increase of 0.1%, right? So that's going to be a yield increase, and the bank manager can be added or revoked from the pool at any time with no lockup. Okay, so if you saw, it's one of my previous videos where I went over the staking your MELD, right, in the MELD app, then you would have seen that there was a lockup period for staking your MELD. And so what this looks like is you're going to be able to take the bank manager. We don't know all the details yet, but it looks like you're going to be able to take the bank manager, add that to your staking, and there will be no lockup period for that. So while it's in your stake, with your stake MELD, then you'll receive that interest off that the 0.1% increased yield, but you can pull it out at any time you want to, okay? And it'll just be in effect the next epoch. So you deposit your bank manager with your staked MELD, and that increase will start, and it will start the next epoch, snapshot in the next epoch, okay? And you can pull that out anytime. Say you want to make, you want to borrow some, get a loan, so you can pull that out of your state, which is great, no lockup period, and then you can lock that into your loan, okay? Use that for your loan if you choose to do so. Okay, bank managers will not evolve. They're not going to evolve anymore. You don't have to worry about, there was supposed to be like 5 different degrees, and you were going to do 5 different things. I'm assuming now you won't have to do that anymore. Uh, they're going to be different degrees of rarity, though. Okay, so we'll have a small number of simple bank managers and a small number of degen bank managers. Okay. Then there's going to be a couple bank managers that are produced. These tokens will be used more for fun than anything else. They're going to be custom bank manager tokens. Okay. Additionally, they're going to have the golden bank manager. Okay, so golden bank manager. Additionally, we will be adding in 10 special golden bank manager NFTs that will give the owner a full 1% discount on their loan interest rates. Okay. So that's about a little over 3 times what the other bank manager, the regular bank manager NFTs are going to give. And anyway, there's going to be more news coming. All right. So that's where we're at on the bank manager NFTs. Happy that we're seeing a conclusion on this, and so really excited about the project. So always have been, and we'll see where we're at. All right, let's go to that was World of Cardano. That was actually where I was at. I'll talk about that in a second. Let's go down here to MELD, and I'm going to talk about MELD real quick. Let's see. I want to. There's a new role in their Discord. I just want to make you aware of, if you're not aware of that. The new role is here. I am. The new role is Diamond Hands. And I don't know if this is going to have anything to do with um, anything that's going on with the bank manager, their loans, or anything. Everybody's offering different things for different things. But come in here and get your Diamond Hand roll. Register your wallet, get your Diamond Hand rolls, your Diamond Hand roll, and in their Discord. And just to have it, if you have the Diamond Hands, come in here and get their Diamond Hand rolls. There's also a lot of good information in their Discord. They have a lot of things going on. Like they'll have like a for lack of better words, on the video, it'll have a spam post weekends. Every once in a while, they'll give you like double XP for spamming all different GIFs and all this kind of stuff. So some stuff going on in here. It's kind of it's kind of fun and everything, and lots of good news. There's lots of good news in here. This is a good place to get your updates. Let's go back up here and look at World of Cardano. Again, they're our new blockchain friend. I just want to make you aware of this. They have their white paper coming out here pretty soon, okay? And they're going to give you more. We'll have more information, right? But like down here, giveaways every day, and it is true. If you're into the gaming aspect of the metaverse, and that World of Cardano is an excellent project to be in their Discord. In fact, I'll put a link to their Discord in the bottom of this video. But this is their giveaway schedule. Okay, so they're giving away stuff every single day, right? This is your giveaway schedule. They got a whole giveaway thing. Here's your schedule. There's a daily giveaways, regular giveaways. Here's quests and raids down here. There's hidden giveaways. Yeah, I encourage you, if you're in the gaming aspect, you have some time, and you like the gaming thing, I encourage you to go in here and check this out. They're also going to drop, now I don't know if it's going to be per wallet or per plot, or if it's just going to be random, but holders of their metaverse plots are going to be dropped their rogue character. They have a new rogue character coming out, so that's coming up along with their white paper. So I'm gonna take a look at that. I'll bring you coverage on that as well when that comes out. But so we don't know how the rogue drop is going to happen, but it is going to happen to people that hold plots, and we don't know if that's everybody or not yet. but the paper's coming out, and I'll bring that to you. Okay. Anyway, I just want to touch basis on them. Great project. We're happy to have them on our blockchain friends list. So, all right. Well, look for updates on both of these projects, and as soon as I find out something new about the Bank Manager NFT, then I will bring that to you. And like I said, we have a Magic Square NFT. They're building us a website, so we'll have that out pretty soon. Lots going to be lots of good information on there, and I'll talk about that. Okay. Anyway, y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.